very powerful, and this is in a lot of religions. Your feet have to be extremely powerful in these religions. And so I'm going to show you on how to get onto your bed sometimes. And pretty much this video is showing why it's very important to use your feet in different places, because when your feet hit the ground, you are meditating. And your journey in Buddhism and Hinduism religion. So always use your left foot to do something that is like has to be used. When you feel like you don't use it, you are walking and you're using both feet. Well, during a meditation, using your left foot will make you stronger. Thank you. And this is why feet can ground you in these religions, and why our left leg should be stronger. And I learned this story from the Buddhist, the Sitting Buddha, on why the left leg should be stronger. The left leg should be stronger, and to give us power. And now I'll show you during a meditation. You meditate. I have the Buddhas here. You meditate like this. This is how this should not be shown, and this should be shown. The Buddha says, the Sitting Buddha says, make your left leg stronger. And you hide your right. Very little. But sometimes I will go ahead and use it like that, but my right is stronger. And when you use it like this, and you hide your left, your right is stronger and you become a stronger person. But this way, you will walk in this religion stronger, and you'll walk in this religion at the highest peak. So I like both positions as a Buddhist monk with all of the Buddhas, the Laughing Buddha and the Sitting Buddha in this religion, and Nirvana Ganesha and Kali in Hinduism. This was a story that I learned from the Sitting Buddha. Thank you. Hail.